Woo, out here, Peccary Channel, Corpus Christi, Texas, catching channel cats. Let's see. Woo. Is pretty strong, about 17 miles an hour. Oh, I'm already getting bit, getting a couple nibbles. Oh, I can feel them. Set it down so I can secure my phone. Well, there he goes. He's nibbling. They took my bait. Yep, they took my bait on one of the hooks. Oh, go. Yep, got him. Another one. Another ocean cat on the Pompano rig. Sheesh. This is like the 5th one today. Spot to fish. This is really hot. It's like 98 degrees. There's no shade here, absolutely no shade. I've already caught about 5 ocean cats. And we're gonna do a big rod out and see what we can catch. But the catfish is non-stop. Not really what I'm targeting, not really what I'm trying to get. I'm trying to catch something big. fun to catch. So we're gonna see what we get, and we're gonna keep going. It's super windy, super hot. Start editing some of these videos when I get home back to LA. We're out here at this little pier. Oh, hold on. Oh, he's on. I hope it's a good one. Oh, another cat. So they're out here. Look at that. They're getting bigger. Not as big as I would want them to be, but they're getting bigger. Now, I'll catch this little guy right here. I see something big out there swimming, so hopefully whatever that